Zulu trap.
We about to. Man, we about to. We about to.
Yeah, we about to fuck it up, so hold on tight, might be a bumpy ride. Heard her saying that hip hop slowly down, but that's gon' change tonight. Niggas claim they killers with they guns, I'm whipping out the mic from a place where they'll do you wrong so they can get you right. So watch your words, yesterday's joke, my start tomorrow's fight. My keyboard suggestions don't have bitches, I guess they're not my type. And I'm blinded by the greed, the fake shit always out of sight, out of mind. My focus on the grind, for you I have no time. Just precision, never missing. If I do, they move the target. Pop out at the top of the leaderboard, hardest in the market. I know I can't end it, and that's the reason why I had to start it. Smoking on some rappers, so no wonder why my vision clouded.
Yeah. Climbing this ladder with my hopes and dreams, tryna touch the sky. With them angels by my side, ain't gon' be surprised to fly high. I got niggas holding breath until I'm done, they cannot sigh. It's all about the fall, ain't no one feel scared of these heights.
Yeah.
Niggas say I think too much, it's them who make me contemplate. This a race, either you first place or nigga you get replaced. I ain't got time for feelings, I'm man of goals, I'm counting days. If you ride with me, don't hold back, otherwise pick up the pace. I put diapers on these niggas, these clear niggas came to play. Children use pencils because they all allowed to make mistakes. They get old, they use pens to show them they ain't easy to erase. Quit wasting time on cheat, just state your need, just cut the chase.